해볼까요? Right.
Does Abby know about her?
Let me tell you in English instead of Korean. But you can have your BTS boy back.
Oh shit!
Everyone check this out. This is another TikTok location. Boom. This is literally where freaking everyone takes photos. So the reason why we're here is we're doing a photo shoot. And who's this?
What's up?
Plug everything.
I'm Brooke
Instagram.
Johnson on YouTube. I don't even, what is
She vlogs. She
I'm
vlogs.
a vlogger. Follow me.
Travel vlogger?
I don't know. What do I call myself?
Wrapped up the shoot or the video portion. Now we're taking photos. If you guys don't know what company it is, this might help you guys out. So guys, guess what? We are at K1, and despite of all of the closures, we're here.
It's me.
And the honky tonk? No, it's Mickey. Oh, no, it's Jockey. Anyways, K1 is closed just like 20 minutes ago before we walked in. But we're gonna be ordering Wingstop. I'm gonna abuse the power. How?
Dave was like 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe in.
It's happening now.
Play a PS4 with no controller.
Ah, dang.
Who's
Good
your
thing I got
doctor?
it.
Can you talk to your boyfriend now?
So
Or?
why was so expensive? He bought 2 necklaces. I only received 1.
Bro. Yeah, but I can't.
I can't hold the conversation.
I can't hold it.
I only received 1.
I know.
Wi-Fi's going out. Yo, you're gonna get in trouble, dog. Call her back.
You're gonna call back real quick.
I didn't press it. Andy pressed it.
I did.
But you gotta continue with the.
I didn't press it, Andy did.
Who's Andy?
Andy's nuts.
So we are at Clubhouse House. Since Mansion was closed, we had to go and move here. We got some soju, and we are gonna try this lovely beast. It is the Atomic, and we got that. No. Come on, put some meaning into it.
Everything's better with soju.
What'd you get?
Medicine?
What did you get? Lemonade?
Lemonade and soju?
It's not BTS.
All right, Jared got the first one. Wait, no.
Oh, chill out.
All right, let's get it.
Oh, okay, everybody got one. I'll grab the biggest one.
Are you serious?
I'm grabbing the smallest.
Oh, I want the wing.
Get the leg.
Oh,
there
dude,
you go.
that's
You said the leg?
Oh,
I mean the wing.
That's not.
Wait.
It won't save you.
I know.
Oh shoot! Wait, what? How many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4. There's
You get
another
one.
one. There's another one.
No, you gotta get it. Wait, what?
Yeah, there is.
Oh, this is huge.
Look at this one. I'll save
There's a
them.
freaking pepper on here. You're gonna eat it straight up? No ranch?
No ranch.
Yeah.
No chase.
Okay.
Atomic challenge. Well, not really a challenge. Fuck.
You have to eat the whole thing?
What, the whole thing? No, I'm done.
Don't breathe from your mouth.
Uh-oh. Oh, I feel it.
Oh!
Feel it.
Howlin' Rays. We should go to Howlin' Rays.
Oh, get the extra one?
It's the aftermath. It's the. Wow. The Korean guy is taking soju.
You don't want to drink beer.
I know he is.
Uncarbonated. Says my hat. Wow.
Ready to go back to Vegas? Okay, cool.
Right.
Hey, BTS wants their hair back.
Everyone, if you guys have been following me since my car days and my car vlogs on this channel before I renovated it, we are going back to the car, kinda. This is Andy. He bought a Tomei. Guys, this is a Tomei. We're good for the virus. We could fight off people. Don't you dare come into my home. I got a Tomei dog. Ram's under the car installing the exhaust, so he's getting piped a lot. Guys, it worked. There's another Subi that came up. I told you, as soon as you hear that calling, another Subaru would be here right away.
Tomei! Tomei! 1K! This is louder!
Alright, real quick, what's new to the car?
Tomei, dog!
Also,
Titanium equal lengths. Catless down.
okay.
Top 20 gauge.
That's how you know your neighbors. Oh, what? Oh my god!